How to build up a successful online business with AI. This is my day one experiment. How to use the power of AI to save the time and money. In this experiment, I'll take you through 2 steps of building online business using AI, from verifying your idea to creating a sales page and everything in between. So let's get started. Verifying your business idea. Before you start build your online business, you need to verify your idea. One way you do this is by checking if there is demand of your products or service. You can do this by looking at the Facebook ad library or researching your competitors or leads. Once you have verified your idea, it's time to come up with a way to stand out. Creating your product or service before, please smash your following button and watch until the end. Creating your products and service to stand out from your competitors, you need to provide something unique. One way to do this is by providing a done for your service instead of editable templates. This means that your customer don't have everything themselves after the purchase, which can save them time and effort. One example of business that provides a unique service is an agent that helps your host design or redesign their welcome book. By analyzing their competitors, they find that all of them were selling editable templates, so they decided to provide a ton of your service to stand out from the competition. Use AI to build your products and service. One of the ways to this agency was able to build their products quickly and efficiently was by using AI. They used the ChatGPT, or I recommend Agentgpt, to generate the book structure and then drag deeper to generate the page's outline. They were able to save hours of research and easily understand what each page should include. After generating the book structure and outline, they used Canva to design the book template with all pages. They spent some time to looking at their competitors to get an idea of all over style and then used the information they got from ChatGPT, or I recommend Agentgpt, and competition research to creating a unique design. They were able to finish all pages in just 2 hours. 2 hours. They have a many cool 20/7. Once they finished design the book template, they create a questionnaire for niche host based on the section they created in their book. They asked the ChatGPT or Agentgpt to create a questionnaire for them, and in a few seconds, they had a detailed questionnaire with every neat question. They then used Google Form to design the final questionnaire. Create your sales page. Once you have your products or service ready, it's time to create your sales page. One of the most important parts of your sales page is the headline. You need to grab your potential customer attention in just a second. I mean the first 2 seconds, or you will lose them. To write a high converting headline, you can use the formula include alternative giver, success, periods, action, commitment, and fears. This is the key point about the alternative hoax. And after creating the headline, you need to list some benefit of your service and explain each step of the process. You also need to include clients and a PayPal button to complete the checkout. You can use Agentgpt to generate the structure of your sales page and the contents. Finding the clients. Once you have your sales page ready, it's time to find clients. One way to do this is by using a LinkedIn outreach. You'll need to do research to find decision maker for the products, for the service. You're driving the sales and then trying to connect with them to give your offer. Don't waste time by asking generic questions and keep your message personality and short. Conclusion. Build a successful my business with Gmail is possible, and it can save your time and money. You need to verify your idea, create a unique product and service. Use AI to build your products or service efficiency. Create a sales page with a high converting headline and find client. Use LinkedIn outreach. With this step, you can build a successful online business and achieve your goals. Okay, the following step is easy. Short form contents tutorial, about 30 to 40 seconds. Is a normal. Don't worry about 7-second golden rules, because this is a tutorial for your niche. It's different. The next is SEO-Friendly Headlines. 10 words. Build an online business with AI, a step-by-step guide like this. How to use ultimate guides to build an online business with AI. The last thing is very important things, relevant keywords. So you need some keyword for SEO searching, about your thumbnail, about your first 2 seconds, the description or your caption. The first second is very important. So I recommend the Agentgpt for the structure. Now I use the Notion AI. Focus on this for the first day 1 and my extensions. The coming up day 2, Let's get started your online business now. Okay, something reminding you, there's a basic theory. Write a high conversing headline. You can use this formula that includes how to alternative hook in the first 2 seconds and achieve success in periods, and make an action you will able to explain. Use this method before making a commitment. In case you ever encounter a